Bonjour, this is Julien, the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce this word of French origin indeed, that is used and known in English and pronounced as restaurateur in English. But how do you say it in French? In France, it is said as restaurateur, restaurateur, which explains why it is said in British English as restaurateur, or in American English as restaurateur, restaurateur in American English, or restaurateur in British English, from French restaurateur. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting and useful French words whose pronunciations aren't obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Merci. Au revoir.